Ethereum is breaking out above $4,200. Absolutely incredible, igniting the altcoin season. The best is yet to come. A lot of altcoins are expected to explode in the next several months into 2, 5, maybe 10x from where they are right now. And this gets really, really exciting because all the attention right now is on the Ethereum. Ethereum, as the largest altcoin, is breaking out first, and the others will follow. So I have a lot to share with you, a lot of great information on this stream. Pay attention, guys, to what's happening in the market because the game of altcoins is beginning now. So you can see over here Ethereum trading at $4,191 right now. This month is looking bullish. As you can see, it is on the track to close above the months that ever since December 2021. We're talking about the long time of 4 years. We have not seen these prices for a very, very long time. The last time we've seen these prices, December 2021. And if we close this month in this way, and it looks like the momentum is definitely on the upside. This is the last hurdle that we need to clear, the $4,800 peak, all-time high for Ethereum. And then, you know, what's the resistance over there? There is no resistance over there. If you want to know what the prices can look like in the future, you can do a simple Fibonacci retracement tool. This Fibonacci retracement tool, basically you can cover the very top and you can go the very bottom over here, and you can see, you can see that the next stop 1.68 Fibonacci is like $7,400. I mean, we don't have a lot of resistance at all. Like it's a market discovery at this phase. So currently we have a lot of confluence over here as Ethereum is breaking this basically horizontal resistance that it has been for multiple times. You can see all the way over here. It broke this March 2024, May 2024, December 2024 resistances, and now it is 4,200. So it's above all of this. So it's looking very, very bullish. So currently, we need to see how the week is gonna close. We're 1 day and 11 hours to close this week, and as you can see, it is the highest weekly close ever since pretty much like November, December 2021. Okay, so we still have 1 day and a half to go to confirm it, but it looks amazing right now. The Bitcoin dominance, well, the Bitcoin dominance is plummeting to 60%, and like I said yesterday, if we're gonna see the dominance to go below 60% over here, which is what we currently have, we continue to go down in the dominance, which is basically signifies the altcoin season. The altcoin season is over here. It started. Now it doesn't mean that it's just going to go all the way down to 36% in a matter of a couple of weeks, but we do see a huge shift here that is happening, and this is the beginning of the altcoin season, which means if you choose your altcoins right, you can double, triple, quadruple, 5x or even 10x your portfolio that you currently have in this up and coming bull market. Okay, so a lot of exciting things. We're seeing Michael Saylor just said live on Bloomberg that $100 trillion in capital markets dollars are coming to Bitcoin. Right? Like I said, if Bitcoin is not going to go to zero, it's going to the $1 million. There is no in between, and it's only a matter of time. Right now, Ethereum is outperforming majorly Bitcoin. You can see we're not just back in this channel over here, but we are significantly going higher right now at 0.035. Just to understand how much Ethereum outperformed Bitcoin since April 2025, you can see over here that it's outperformed pretty much 94% up Like it almost double outperformed Bitcoin. So Ethereum definitely catched up to what is going on, and it's woken up. So Ethereum heavily outperforming Bitcoin. Altcoin season unlocked once again. What we're seeing is here. This is the altcoin season. Bitcoin dominance going down. Ethereum finally breaking from this massive symmetrical triangle over here since 2021. The target is $8,000 for this move. $8,000. Let it sink in. 2 days ago, this whale panic sold $19 million worth of Ethereum during the dip. Today, he FOMO'd in once again, buying $12.8 million worth of Ethereum at $3,800. So you can see basically better to not panic and be a long-term holder while we are in this bullish momentum, because we are in this bullish cycle. It's not the end of the cycle yet. The top is not in. The market liquidity cycle starts with US dollar liquidity, goes to Bitcoin, next to Ethereum, which is where we are right now, next to the high capital coins, then the low caps and meme coins, and then back to US dollars, then Bitcoin again. So we are about to witness in the following months ahead of us a pretty big altcoin season. If you can see the total 2 and the total 3, the total 2 is excluding Bitcoin. It's on a way up over here. The total 3 is excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So this over here is about to break. It's not yet breaking out, but it's on the way to break out. And once it does, 1.14 trillion, we can see a lot of altcoins to start to move majorly up, besides Ethereum, of course. So we are seeing that US household liquid investable wealth, just a small portion of 401ks, those retirement plans, needs to flow into Bitcoin and crypto for a massive price explosion. As you know, Donald Trump has signed this executive order to allow for the funds from 401ks, the pension funds, to start flowing into crypto. We are talking about $9 trillion in value, and the whole market cap of Bitcoin is slightly over 1 trillion. So just a portion of that flowing is going to make a big difference. 3 rate cuts are now expected by the end of the year. Massive wave of fresh liquidity is coming to the market. And looking at fast food giants, Steak and Shake reveals sales are up 10% after accepting Bitcoin. Again, other companies are going to start seeing, hey, why not McDonald's start to accept Bitcoin? Why not other companies are going to start accepting Bitcoin? More adoption is coming. The Bitcoin hash rate hits a new all-time high. There is more and more miners that are mining Bitcoin over here. $209 million worth of Ethereum shorts got liquidated in the past 24 hours. So those that have been shorting Ethereum, they got smashed on this move today. But I want to warn you also to be careful at this point over here, because if you look on the 8-hourly chart, we've been in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 consecutive green candles on the 8-hour chart. So I do see, if we're gonna close in 2.5 hours, just like this, putting this pin bar over here, that we might see some retracement over here. It will not surprise me if we're going to see some retracement over here to retest this level of $3,900, allowing more people to get in at $3,900 and then moving forward like this. Okay, so be careful. And we're seeing here that Coinbase adds a decentralized exchange trading to US platform and push toward becoming an everything app. So if you're in US, if you're using Coinbase, now it also added a decentralized exchange as well into Coinbase. Once BlackRock spot ETF, staking ETF get approved, we teleport to $6,000. This is a huge waiting for this Ethereum staking ETF. I mean, those that have the Ethereum ETFs to be able to earn on the staking rewards, to be have an ETF invest in the Ethereum staking, man, we're gonna see Ethereum go way higher in value because people want to receive the yield that comes with that Ethereum. We see Harvard University just bought $116 million worth of BlackRock Bitcoin Spot Bitcoin ETF. Not bad at all. And for fun, the Harvard University holds more in Bitcoin ETFs now than it holds shares in Google. Let it sink in. We're seeing also Brown University just doubled its Bitcoin position. They now hold $13 million in Bitcoin exposure. So we're talking about some major universities over here. Cardano founder predicts Bitcoin price to hit $250,000 by 2026. Now, of course, we don't just want to blindly listen to predictions, even if it's a founder of Cardano. We want to closely monitor the actual metrics for Bitcoin, okay? Because one more move to the upside and we're going to get shaken up. So how big of a move is going to be? 150K? Very possible that the next move is going to be to $150,000 for Bitcoin. Now, one meme coin I want to point out here, it's called the MetaFox. It's very small meme coin, very high risk meme coin, but I do like the way that they've done their website. It is about MetaFox. MetaMask is, of course, for 9 years has been the biggest wallet with 30+ million users, and the MetaFox is like the icon, the mascot of on the Ethereum network, Uniswap, for MetaMask. So currently the market cap of this is only $3.96 million, so it's very small. So this thing is, of course, super volatile. If you want to buy it, no more than $500 for this such a play, but keeping it for the long term, it can be something that can explode in value as more holders will come in, more liquidity will come in, and this meme can catch up, okay? But again, it's super high risk, so I bought myself $500 worth of the MetaFox, and that's it. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. I hope you have a fantastic time. Watching this market is absolutely incredible to see this markets, and yeah, I'm looking forward to share with you more alpha, more news, more information about these markets in crypto. Stay up to date with what's going on. Get yourself to take action to accumulate, because you know, we're about to have this crazy altcoin season to start, and I would hate for you to miss out on that. Okay, a lot of the altcoins are starting to wake up, but we are not at the point of the all-time high yet. We're not there yet, but it's getting there. It's getting there for a lot of these altcoins. Link is Link over here? Yeah. Okay, not all-time high yet. So Aptos over here, about to print this bullish engulfing months. Yeah. So a lot of things in play over here. Play strategically, play to the trend, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.